My name's Tyler Carter. I'm from Tulsa, Oklahoma, retired City of Tulsa employee. I've known Jeremy and the crew here since 2019. Over 7 years now.
Yes, it is.
And all I can tell you is over those 7 years, Jeremy has led me in the right direction on everything he's ever done. I've never had a complaint. All I've had are praises. The work is done correctly every time. He doesn't try to sell you something you don't need. And if you don't need it, he will tell you that's a waste of money.
Yeah.
He's honest and fair. It's nice to have a family environment.
Well, you're like family around here to us, Tyler. That's for sure. You and your wife both. On a scale of 1 to 10, how happy are you with the work? It's obvious you're very happy.
That's simple. It'd be 11 for me.
I hear you. And we appreciate it. We feel the same about you. Would you recommend our company to friends and family members?
By far. In fact, I have recommended several people to come by, take a look, see what he's got. And that was how I found you. Your location down here next to the turnpike was so simple.
Yeah.
Sitting out there, everybody can see you, and now you've got quite a really nice inventory.
Well, Mr. Carter, we can't thank you enough for your business, your trust over the years.
Thank you.